Okay. Hello, everyone. This is Team Biased. Long story short, why we came up with the name biased as it is a very common systematic error that can occur in any stage of machine learning. So we as a team aim to minimize this error, and as well biased has a playful meaning to it. So we came up with this name. So the name of our web app is SkinLens, your personal dermatologist. So coming to agenda of this meeting. Basically, the entire project timeline was divided into 4 sprints, and this is basically a presentation to summarize what went, what all we did in our sprint zero as a team. So this sprint was more about pre-planning. We came up with the problem statement, project description, personas. We decided what technologies and algorithms we are going to use. We decided project schedule, and we also signed team working agreement. And at the end of the sprint, we also had a sprint retrospective to reflect on what went well and what has to improve. So, coming up to roles and responsibilities, my name is Mohammad Zaid. I'm team leader and developer.
Hello everyone, my name is Julian Yin. I'm a Scrum Master and also developer.
My name is Naganjali Pujita Kalli. I'm a developer and a DBA.
I'm Mohammad Tanzil Bilal. My role is developer and tester.
Hi, my name is Bang Ying and I am a developer as well.
Hello, my name is Abhikumar Patel. I am a developer and a tester.
So let's dive into the technical aspects of this. So according to survey of World Health Organization, 900 million people face skin disease related issues at one particular time. Though it is a huge number, no significant attention is paid unless until there is some major health deterioration. So now, what problem are we going to solve? Accurate and timely diagnosis of skin disease is a challenge. There are two major reasons behind this. First being limited availability of dermatologists in underserved areas, and second being the traditional methods involved only visual inspection of skin. Though some, though they might have include symptoms as well, but most of us are hesitant to, hesitant or put into sentence what symptoms we are facing. So what does this problem affect? This affect in delayed diagnosis and limited personal care. So what's the solution to this? Skin lens. So, moving on to the project description, what SkinLens is, basically it is a web-based platform that will help users to diagnose skin conditions using AI models. Who is this app intended for? It is intended for both patients as well as dermatologists. Uh, in what way? So in intended for patients who wants to quickly access their skin conditions. What Skinless does on the back end is it integrates image analysis and NLP based system integration and provides accurate diagnosis of skin disease and recommend treatments based on this. And it is intended for dermatologists who wants to quickly access patient skin conditions. Like unlike traditional visual inspections, our application uses multimodal data, that is image as well as text analysis, and offers more accurate predictions. uh, what's the benefit of this? So basically, we came up with three many benefits actually, but let me point out three major benefits that are improved diagnosis accuracy, faster and personalized care, and increased accessibility.
So here I want to talk about three personas. They are like a patient persona, parent persona, and doctor persona. So coming to parent persona, I want to talk about a female IT employee, and her name is Nashley Pagiroli. So she is a she's a busy professional person living in a city and has a sensitive skin, prawns, and acne. So the challenges she's facing is like she has several challenges. First one is she has some trouble scheduling dermatologist appointments, and which is hard to get time to help. And she has so many symptoms which raises misdiagnosis. And the last one is she has a long-term skin damage and she wants like a fast treatment options. That's why she is using our app, like a SkinLens. And goals yeah, she has like a main goal to find a reliable platform for quick self help for skin. And she can use like in the home too. So this is about patient persona. And coming to parent persona, she is a housewife, and her name is Gloria Garson, and she has like a 4 children and one husband. And um she's like a balancing like a household duties and her work and her individual health of children and husband, and she has to take care of her too. So challenges she faced is she frequently delays minor skin issues like rashes, eczema among her kids. So she often feels confused about skincare for different ages and skin types. And additionally, she is like concerned about time and multiple doctor visits and serious conditions about skin. So, and the goals, she wants to um um personalized advice for us is um she can consider like a children's skincare, ages, and allergies, past allergies. And she hopes to save times by uploading the specific symptoms and images. And she has accurate clear advice and believing that home care can be sufficient. So yeah, this is a parent persona. So this is like a doctor persona, and here is the dermatologist Dr. Robert, and he is working in like a hospital and a private clinic, and he has like high volume of patients. He'll treat, and with various skin conditions too. So challenges he is facing large patient load daily, and it is leading to limited time for consulting, um for taking care of each and every patient. And it is very hard to track patient treatment um over the time, like eczema, psoriasis, or irregular checkups. And the goals, he wants to inform is like a platform. He wants like a patient information and the including symptoms, descriptions, what are the allergies or any skin issues patients are getting. And it is like a very help to hope to track a patient progress over the time, and it is very helping to adjust treatments too and reduce the patient times. So Yeah, this is about personas.
Yeah, hi. Let's dive into what will our MVP be. These will be some key features of our MVP. First and foremost, we will create a user-friendly web-based interface. This will allow users to easily upload images of skin conditions and input basic patient information like age, gender, and symptoms. Second is on the back end, we will implement image processing capabilities to prepare uploaded images for analysis. The heart of our MVP is AI model. We will use a pre-trained deep learning model for skin condition diagnosis. For the output, the system will display the predicted skin condition along with the confidence score and a brief description of the detected condition. We will implement basic user management features, allowing users to register, log in, and view their last uploads and results. The application will be mobile responsive, ensuring accessibility across devices.
Okay, and we use various programming languages and phrases to bring this project to life. And like we use Python to write algorithms to analyze skin images, and TensorFlow and Kira for model. React is used for front end. For actually, we also use JavaScript and as front end as well. And Node.js is a backup system. And moving to database, MongoDB we use for storing our user data and image metadata. And Firebase is used for real-time updates. We also use AWS for hosting our model and processing large image files. And as tools, we using Google App to build and test our model. And Jira helps us manage our tasks and keep the project on track. And we also use it to plan our sprints, track and manage our time. Visual Studio Code is our go-to ID for development. We also we using Docker to ensure it runs consistently across different environments. And Kubernetes helped us manage our services and the application skills. Slack we use as a platform to communicate with our teammates. And GitHub we usually use for storing all the codes and allow us to manage the vision.
So moving on to the algorithms we are going to use. Basically, for image classification, we are going to use a pre-trained CNN model. Why CNN model? Because CNN model automatically identifies relevant features, as well as it identifies patterns automatically. uh, CNN consists of many layers. In the convolutional layer, basically putting it in layman's term, it basically scans the images and identify patterns. And then there is the pooling layer where which retains only the most significant information. And these fully connected layers, using the visual features, classify image into one of the possible skin diseases.
So yeah, the another algorithm we are using is NLP model for text generation. We are using Hugging Face powerful transformer model, which are pre-trained on vast amounts of text data. As an input data, when user describes their symptoms, our system processes this information. We use NLP techniques to extract key details from the user's description. For generating descriptions, we are using a Hugging Face text generation pipeline. We input the extracted symptoms, then the model then generates a comprehensive description of diagnosed skin condition.
Hello everyone, this is the schedule of our whole project. We have sprint 1 from September 6th to September 26th. We are now in the sprint 0, and We still have sprint 1, 2, 3 from September 26th to October 24 for sprint 1, and October 24 to November 21st for sprint 2, and November 21st to December 12 for sprint 3. And we will have daily Scrum meeting during the sprint every day for 15 minutes, and a meeting for sprint planning, a meeting for sprint retrospective in each sprint. And we have a checklist for what deliverables should we submit for every sprint. And this is a Jira screenshot about our timeline about for sprint and the text in the sprint 0. Yeah, this is our team working agreement. We discussed, wrote down our mutual expectation, and made an agreement of how our team working. First is how should we communicate, and how to solve the conflicts if we have. We will communicate with the Slack, and we respect all members' opinions and ideas. Changes are welcome, but should be discussed within team. And about conflict solution, conflicts should be focused on issues, not individuals. That's the most important. And feel free to express your feelings like frustrations and any discomfort that will avoid misunderstanding. And then we're going to the meeting. Meetings are on Zoom. We have 15 minutes daily Scrum meeting. And if there are any blockers can't be quickly addressed during the meeting, we will have a follow-up meeting. And we have a meeting for sprint planning, a meeting for sprint retrospective, and everyone should attend the meeting. Absence will be informed to team. And as Scrum Master, I will host the meeting and do time control. And this is our team norms and values. Everyone should take responsibility for their own work. If they can't complete their work on time, they should report obstacles immediately and actively contribute to the solution. Each task should have a clear due date and the definition of done. At the reset, this part is our definition of done, our DOD, and teams should update their process with Jira before daily Scrum meeting. And for the continued improvement, we encourage teams to keep researching and learning and share new ideas within team. And we will work on the feedback and the actions made during the spring retrospective that will make the next sprint better.
Hello. So this is a screenshot of our latest sprint retrospective. Over there, we discuss what went well, what can be improved, and from that, we choose actionable items for excellent. So we discussed the few points for the retrospective. So what went well? So all the members are positive to hold and join the meetings and did well in the gathering the background informations of the project. And everyone came with one or more ideas before finalizing our project descriptions. So where we have to improve. So we got familiar with the tech stack, what we are going to use in our project, and not giving chance to other to speak, and too much of divergent thinking, and not focus on one topic at one time during the meeting, and the actionable items. So Zed, our team leader can create a meeting agenda before the meeting start. Zone, as a Scrum Master, can facilitate that if someone wants to speak, he or she can raise the hand or use the Zoom raising hand function. And everyone assign everyone to stick the 3 basic daily Scrum questions. That.
that's all. There were many things that went well in this sprint, and many things, we felt like we have to improve. And based on this, we came up with some actionable items, and we assigned these actionable items to every other team member. And hopefully we will put all the actionable items in this sprint retrospective in what went well of the next sprint retrospective. So to see our progress up until now, you can visit our GitHub repository by clicking on the link. Thank you. This is Team Biased for you all, and see you in the next sprint. Thank you.